Lower Kindergarten Phonics Part 4. Moving from word reading to sentence reading. In this video, you will learn how to take the child from word reading to sentence reading, how to transition from sentence reading to paragraph reading. After 3 months, your child would have mastered close to 8 to 9 letters. Now, let us assume that your child now knows how to read and write a, b, k, t, r, h, s, e, d. And your child can read these words made from these letters: ab, cab, at, cat, bat, rat, sat, it, hit, bit, sit, ib, bib, rib, ad, dad, had, sad, id, did, hid. So once your child can read these 3-letter words fluently, you can move on to sentence formation. Use these words to make short sentences like this. Here are a few examples: cat, sat, bad, cat, bit, rat, dad, had, cab, rat, bit, bib. Prepare small little reading cards like this with visuals. Get your child to read the sentences. Notice we do not use the uppercase when beginning a sentence initially because the child is not very familiar reading the uppercase. First, let your child sound out the word sad, sad, at, cat, at, sat, sad, cat, sat. You could hide the visual with a piece of paper and then get your child only to read the sentence, because sometimes children look at the picture and say the sentence rather than sounding out the letters and reading the sentence. Do the same with all the other reading cards. Prepare a total of 25 to 30 reading cards for your child. Now, 10 or 12 months later, after your child is able to read about 40 to 50 sentences, get your child to read small paragraphs like this. Remember, now we have begun the sentence with a capital. We have started using also sight words. Your child will be able to read these sight words fluently if you have been practicing sight words with your child from the beginning. Every sight word has to be read as one single unit. A, f, at, fat. D, o, g, dog. A fat dog. The, f, t, fat. D, o, g, dog, ran. The fat dog ran. The, f, at, fat. D, o, g, dog, ran to the cab. The fat dog ran to the cab. The lad and dad sat in the cab. The lad and dad sat in the cab. Please go to the website cft.in, go to the download section and click on others. You will get very useful preschool guides and templates that you could use. Below this video, you will find links to websites that have interesting preschool activities. Thank you.